Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the Hitania Fix, I Destroy, I Neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Order myself some wine.
But at least you must not seven like shy 3.
Pambeni. I've got work to do.
What kind of work?
Bereka mosadi.
How are you breaking?
Huh? Dissonance.
Hey,
'Mm.
team into yakho.
The girl is a workaholic.
Nah, the security lumngani wami.
Hi, Tabili.
Hey, ngikombona.
You so why are you friends with everybody?
These are my friends.
Really? Did he see you?
He's even waving.
Oh wow.
Mngani wami. Security mngani wami.
Hi guys. Hello. How are you? I'm good. I'm actually waiting for you. My name is Lisa. I work for CMTV. Ne? We have a show where we just interview couples. I'm just gonna ask you 3 questions each and then you guys can go. Would you be willing?
Yeah, but it's Jahi.
Just 3 questions.
All right.
But are you quiet?
Yeah, that's
You don't know.
Kantao makamera utsilo.
Kaloku, it's a show.
Show.
Mm.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna ask you 3 questions each and then you can go.
Okay. Nice first.
Okay, come closer, please. Come this side for me. Just over here, please. Buti on my right. Name? Name?
Nompumelelo Mpele.
Nompumelelo and?
Mpilo ngubani?
Okay, Mpilo. Mpilo, how long have you been with Nompumelelo?
It's now 1 year, 2 months.
1 year, 2 months. Okay, still going strong?
Yeah, it's strong.
Okay. Where did you guys meet?
Emakhaya, sukena emakhaya.
Really? So did you guys move to Johannesburg together?
Yes.
To what? To work?
Nesizosebenza nje.
So you guys are both working?
Yeah, siyasebenza.
Okay. My Scott, what is it that you like about Nompumelelo?
It's yonke into yabona now. Yeah, it's right. Unomoya phansi.
Yeah.
I understand. Uyaphila sisi.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
Have you been doing things that she needs to
I
understand?
understand impilo, angithi impilo ine ups and downs.
Okay. Lo mpilo ubekezelanga kule relationship kanti ubekezela.
Ay, angibekezelanga si-right nje, lo si-right.
Okay, what is it that you like about him?
Ngithanda umoya wakhe phansi nje. Uhlele la nje.
Eduze son.
Yes, when I'm going through a lot, uhlele comfortable, ekududuza kahle kahle. Yebo nje.
Okay. And how much do you trust him on a scale of 1 to 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yes, sis. Okay, Mpilo. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust her?
10.
10.
11, I said.
Have you guys ever gone through each other's phones? For any reason? You haven't? Would you like to, if given the chance? I mean, you're building with this person, you know?
Yeah.
You would like to, ne? Okay, Mpilo.
Yeah, but
Okay.
that's why we khuluma ngayo sifuna afike manje.
Oh, okay. Let me actually tell you what we do on the show. We basically make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps.
Okay.
Would you be willing to do that?
So sijana amafoni.
Nachongana ithini into? Would you guys?
Ay, mina nginankinga neyami.
Okay, Mpilo.
Sishintshane ukuthi
To go through each other's WhatsApps. So check WhatsApp work.
anginankinga.
You don't have an issue?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Mpilo, do you have another question? Are you sure? Uthi hayi okanye uthi ewe? Awufuna ucheck your phone?
Sicheke ukuthini?
Kaloku Can you please stop laughing? Kaloku, she's gonna go through your WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah.
And check if there's another woman in there. If I'm Jolene.
If you enjoy that,
Mm.
how else I'm sorry.
So, for check your
I
WhatsApp.
with some phone. Send cash on your pedal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well.
Okay. But when now you're phone check your phone.
Yeah.
Okay, uzomnika ke ngoku phone ayicheck.
Yeah,
Impilo, are you sure?
yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, siqale ngephi phone? Whose phone should we start with? Okay. Okay, Scott. Okay, open it for me, ne? Thank you. Okay, go to her WhatsApp, ne? Okay, type ngiyakuthanda. Bona nto.
Ngibona mina.
Okay, delete that. Type ngiyakukhumbula.
Mark.
Okay, delete that. Type outside.
Me.
Okay, delete that. Type akekho. Okay, nothing dodgy. Okay, delete that. Type Woza. Okay, clean. Okay, delete that. Type Mama.
Mama.
Okay, clean. Delete. Type Babe. Okay, delete that. Type pregnant.
Pregnant.
Okay, delete. Type ebusuku. Hayi, clean sana. Hey, type love you.
Ole mina lapho.
Yeah, okay. Delete that.
Yeah.
Type miss you. Yeah, son. Give your woman back her phone. Clean. It's your turn ke ngoku Mpilo. Ifone iphi? Thina utatazela Mpilo.
Antatazeli.
Okay. Rule phone ke but just pass code or password or whatever. Thank you. Okay. Go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type love you. Okay. What do you see?
Hayi, ngibona mina.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type ngiyakuthanda. You again.
Yes.
Okay, delete. Type Woza. Okay, what do you think, girl?
Ngibona kunoZama.
Woza. Okay, go into the chat again. Ooh,
Nice.
Mpilo. Sibona izinto apha. Kuzama.
Masoma.
Nangu uZama, ubani uZama?
Uzami. Uzamile intombazane lesi sifundisa ukudansa. Ayithi ngiyadansa khumbula.
Manje uZama umsendela iy'thombe ezikanje. Mina ngingakaze ungisendele lezi ithombe.
Kahle kahle angafuni mina ithombe ngangifuna ngidlulisele mina.
Udlulisela kanjani ke kuZama loyo? Udlulisela kanjani kuZama loyo? Udlulisela kanjani? Udlulisela kanjani?
Give me the phone, Dlami.
Uzama.
Stop phone, Scott.
Uzama ngihlangana naphi usiyaphi umuntu wazama mfethu.
Manje usendela wena.
Ayinayo WhatsApp bese ukuthi uBobho nje usiyaphi.
Manje usendela wena ubuka izinto zikaSiyako efonini.
Mfethu Bela siyasizana njengamajita ngithi yayibona.
Ngiyasizana.
Yeah, mfethu.
Yeah.
Ngibona mpume manje.
Imali
Ngiyenzama. Usukwenzela into enzayo mfethu yini manje?
Akumfanele lo zama loyo ngimbuze mina ngifuna umuzwa mina lo zama lo.
So ayingowakho uzama.
No mfethu angisandani nozama mina. Usiya mfethu ngakutshela ngathi uzama usiya wayesifuna amantombazana adansayo. Ukhumbula ixoxela leyo nto.
Okay ke uzoconfirma ke yena ukuthi.
Hello, can I please speak to Uzama?
Hello Zama. Hello Zama.
Hello.
Uyini nompilo yamazi umpilo? Ukhuluma nompumi. Uyamazi umpilo?
Yeah, ngiyamazi.
Umazi kanjani?
Siyathandana mina naye.
Oh, izolo bekathi woza beniyaphi?
Oh, bekangikhipha.
Oh, mina kushuthi ungenza islip. Ungenza islip.
Hey no.
Umkhulu niyephi?
Yazi zange size la kunina yini.
Uthawufihle intompilo. Uyaphi? Where you going? Uyaphi?
Sikhathela siyamantoza asofundisa ukudansa. Hayi kuhle kanjani? Angisandani nozama.
Uyaphi?
Hey, yabo mfethu.
Uthi niyathandana?
Lema ibuka le mafanele ngiyasi.
Uthi
Dlamini.
Singayenzi lonto leyo.
niyathandana?
Dlamini.
Yazi ukuthi philwe mfethu. Yabona into enenza ukuthi lento.
Sithi.
Ningikhathana ebes wena ehlisa umoya sikhulume ngale ndaba.
Sikhuluma ngani? Sikhuluma ngozama. Sikhuluma ngozama.
Uzama ukuthi ngifundisa ukudansa bese akazi izithele nje.
Manifundisana ukudansa manje ayihlangani yazi lento enikhulumayo. Yazi ayihlangani.
Kwase khuluma ngefoni yami usiya nozama. Hayi usikowini.
Tell Uzama sithi niyajola ko.
Yethi niyajola kube kusiya.
Hayi lena niyahlanya shuthi ngekhanda mfethu. Uyangigulela phela lo muntu lo mina.
Lenza mina islip. Yimi islip.
Umeme niyazi akuchithele kodwa mfethu serious. Wakwayizwa ikhole ebusuku nanye nawe.
Phela kushuthi niyafonela noma nitshelana ukuthi nifonela
Nini mfethu ukho uhlezi ukhole nje wena.
Niyasho ukuthi nifonela nasiphi isikhathi wena mawuphuma uthi yakusiya kanti usukuya kuza.
Masiyazo siyorezo yazi nje sisizitshela nje le nto.
Uthi awungeke nawe.
So ufuna ukuthi ulungise relationship yakho?
Mfethu si right mina nawe nje baby.
Hayi
Ni right?
asikho right sis. Mina nje angiyeka asikho right.
So uyamyeka?
Hayi.
Yo.
Ngiyeka akaziboni.
Niyeka Dlamini. Damn it.
Ume. Lalela phezulu. Usiya yazi indaba yazi into ezosuza la zini. Ukuthi icheba ngisiya.
Hayi kitenge ukukhuluma nawe.
Mama, lalela phezulu.
Hayi kitenge ukukhuluma nawe.
Usiya phezulu.
I think we can actually just give them space, Lams. Yeah, relationships zanamhlanje. Yay. Nisajolalani guys. Hi. Son. Sanojola phofu ndijoba lisingle ngoku basanojola. Let's just all be single. It's fun.
Oh. Ngoba komjolo akukho manje.
Guys, don't do this to yourselves.
Usisi, you know, I was hoping ukuthi this couple
Is loyal to each other.
because of usisi uthe ngibuya naye ekhaya.
Emakhaya. Oh, shame, man.
But ke
Oh,
ayish. Kwabheda.
shame.
Hayi kwabheda. Kuraf.
But anyway, Dlamini, shall we go home?
Oh yini. Ngizwisa ubuhlungu mothi shall we go home.
Why?
Ngoba kusemnandi ukusebenza.
I'm cold.
You are cold. That's why ngiloye ngenza.
I didn't wear enough clothes today.
Yeah, that's why uzohamba nesweater yami namhlanje ne.
Okay.
Uzoyilanda, ungayilethi. I'll come and fetch it. When you get home, you tell me usekhaya, and then you can come and get your sweater, and then yeah, ngizo Uber special. So Uber, or I'll ask umlungu to come and yabo, but I'll come and fetch it. Ungawari. Yeah. And ngathi ungangifonela la ngaboma 8-9
PM.
PM. Yeah, PM.
Hey,
And I'll come in.
it's so difficult being a girl with a vagina. Everyone just wants to get in there.
It's 10. That fruit. But igrana pomade.
I was saying to a guy yesterday that I wonder what you guys feel that we don't during the nkonzo,
No,
because
you can't feel it.
there's
wena
something that you
yourself.
feel that we don't
Yo,
as women.
Yo.
You guys are too much.
Yo. That's why most of the guys they end up promising izinto ezingekho
Ah,
because of that bumnandi.
I'm gonna buy a lock for mine.
You lock it.
Because I don't like penetration. I actually realized I don't like penetration. So being single is a relief for me. I don't like.
But once in a while you need to get that enjoyment because naturally you were born to ukwenza lento. So, because if you deny yourself this thing now,
You can enjoy it without penetration.
nah, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No.
Yes, you
How?
can.
How?
By head.
Uyabona ke? I knew that's where you're going.
Exactly.
that's where you're going.
I hate penetration.
You have to penetrate.
That's why I think, yeah, I'm probably gonna end up a rich single aunt. Because now when you have a husband, you have that obligation.
Ukuthi kumele.
You are.
Yes,
And I
yes.
don't like penetration.
Uyabona ke? If now you are married, it's a must.
You.
It's a must that make
Ah.
him happy. Make him happy.
Shatani, but guys, that's no more now. I'm next to find a girl who's really honest and say, maybe it's me, maybe other girls enjoy penetration. But I think some girls, 50%, are like me, and that's why they can be lesbian. Because most lesbian
this penetration.
sex does not require penetration.
Yeah.
You know?
Kuthiwa nje.
Yes.
Kuthiwa
But
nje.
anyway, I'm straight, so
Khasha amanzi.
yeah.
Impophoma.
Anyways, let me.
Awukayishaya impophoma.
Squirting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you looking at me like that?
Eh?
It's so disgusting. I have.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I appreciate it.
You deserve it though.
Hey, let's yeah.
Yeah,
I hope no child is watching today's episode.
because wow,
Yeah.
18 above.
Yes,
No,
literally.
yeah.
Guruf.
Urwef.
Yeah.
Asam.
Anyway, what else did I want to say?
Okay.
No, I don't think I wanted to say anything. Also, there were girls in the comment section asking me to give them my wigs. I just want to say, guys, I cherish my wig. A wig on a paint. You don't share wigs. You don't. You're taking my dandruff, you're taking my depression.
Ayiwasho.
It's generational curses from home. Into enhloko dlamini I cherish, especially a wig.
Ayiwashwa yini.
Iyavasa, but a wig a paint.
But kulama week athengiswa ama second hand.
It touches your dandruff. You're not supposed to.
But people are buying them.
No, because it touches your dandruff as well. Yes, it's a vasa, but still. You have a paint in week.
It's okay if umuntu ufuna generational curse, give the to them. Give it to them. Donate one, Lisa.
No, I cherish a week. Even for me, I'd be scared because a lot of my DNA is on my wig.
That's what you're afraid of.
Yes, I'm scared for the person who's gonna get the wig, and I'm scared for myself. If I were to ever donate anything, even if it's clothes, people must not know it's from me. Have you seen how many people even hate me? You learn about a chance.
Anonymous.
Angandenza into indlela endiqaphukela ngayo.
Finally.
Ndafumana i-item yakhe. Yes. No, guys, I'm very spiritually aware now. There are people here. You, bandonyanya. So if we were to give away things, you guys will not know it's from me specifically.
Yeah, I understand.
But we get you now. Thank you very much.
I'm a week, Koshwani.
Ah,
Me, if I had a week, I was gonna donate. I'm not a problem. A week. Because I'll donate.
phambane pushe ingqondo fika sikuse give people that
This one at SPC.
press copies. It's fine, Lamini, shit happens.
No, there's a guy or hamba. Yabona these second hand amategi nama boots abawathengisayo. So this
Yeah.
guy wahamba wothenga. So wathenga amaboots amasosha.
Okay.
Yabo? Wathenga wona, he went home the following day wavuka wagqoka. Wagqoka, kuthiwa wavuka we.
And he ran.
Yeah, he ran the whole day. Wakiji.
Is that a true story, Tabili? And then when did he stop?
So, bas bambamba bamkhumula amaboots, that's when he stopped.
Yeah, I don't believe you.
Oh, I'm serious.
lying?
I'm serious, bro. I'm not joking.
But how did they know it was the boots?
I don't know. But after removing those boots, akala phansi umqondo wabuya.
You see, second-hand things you see.
Wakijimila ngalonke.
Is that a story from Johannesburg?
Yeah, ijo. Khona la. Awu, khona la. Go.
David, don't lie, man, don't lie.
Okay.
Is he from the hostel?
Umuntu nje ngimazi. But wakijimila ngalonke.
Guys, please stay away from second-hand things. Stay away from people's things.
But now the thing is, some of us we cannot afford to go thenga into a store.
Yeah, but what about your spiritual hygiene? You understand?
Asinandaba.
Yo, guys.
Asinandaba.
Hey, but okay.
Kunzima.
I understand.
Sizawuthini?
Anyway, Lamine, shall we go home?
Let's go home.
We can close, ne?
Yeah.
All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Sera. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sera _
Instagram, welcome _Dlamini88. Facebook, welcome Dlamini. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. Danke wasiyabona.
Oh, bye guys. Yo, ha'asa.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sera. Mindombi Yase Pebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.